Development in wastewater treatment methods.
The pollution of rivers and streams with chemical contaminants is one of the most crucial environmental problems. Wastewater in general contains a high load of oxygen-demanding wastes, pathogenic or disease-causing agents, organic materials, nutrients that stimulate plant growth, inorganic chemical and mineral and sedimentation. Wastewater may be classified into four categories: domestic, industrial, infiltration, and stormwater. The basic methods of treating wastewater fall into three stages: primary treatment, including grit removal, screening, grinding, and sedimentation; secondary treatment, which entails oxidation of dissolved organic matter by means of using biologically active sludge, which is then filtered off; and tertiary treatment, in which advanced biological methods of nitrogen removal and chemical and physical methods, as granular filtration and active carbon absorption. Industrial wastewater are the discharge of industrial plants and manufacturing process, can represent collective and important part of community wastewaters, and must be considered for successful wastewater treatment plant operation. Industrial wastewater vary widely in composition, strength, flow, and volume, depending on the specific industry or manufacturing establishment in the community. Industrial discharges may consist of very strong organic wastewater with a high oxygen demand or containing the reservoir that can damage sewers and other structures.
Conventional wastewater treatment process consists of a combination for physical, chemical, and biological process and operation to removing salt, organic matter, and their sometimes nutrients from wastewater. Preliminary treatment. Preliminary treatments help to remove odor, reducing sign their lager in their suspender or fluoride solid. This solid consists of the portion of what called paper plates, garbage, etc., together with some field matter. Primary treatment. Primary treatment is designed to remove organic, inorganic, solid, by physical process of the sedimentation and flocculation. Primary treatment is filter, clarifier, and sampling times. 25-14% of the incoming biochemical junior the matter. 15-17% of the total suspended solid, and 16-14% of the oil and grease. Secondary treatment. The secondary treatment process consists of the biological treatment of wastewater. Balancing many different types of microorganisms. Another process I use the most used. Treatment factors, oxygenate and organisms metabolic in the organic matter.
Development in wastewater treatment methods. This level of treatment has proved to be insufficient to protect the receiving waters or to provide reusable water for industrial and/or of domestic recycling. Types of advanced wastewater treatment. Advanced wastewater treatment may be divided into three major categories by the type of process flow scheme utilized. Tertiary treatment, physicochemical treatment, combined biological-physical treatment. Advanced wastewater treatment is used for additional organic and suspended solid removal, removal of nitrogenous oxygen demand, nutrient removal, removal of toxic materials. A well-designed and operated secondary plant will remove from 85% to 95% of the effluent, biochemical oxygen demand, and solid suspended. Emergence of membrane treatment technology. It's a means of purifying and/or concentrating a wide variety of fluids from water and wastewater to pharmaceutical and chemical products. It's also a pressure-driven process that relies on the pore size of the membrane to separate feed streams components according to their pore sizes. Application: air filters, water filters, drinkable water rejection system.
Desalination technology. Desalination is a process that removes dissolved minerals, including but not limited to the sale of the more than 17,500,000 desalination plants in operation worldwide. 16 ports are located in the Middle East. The world's largest plant in Saudi Arabia produces 128 ngd of desalted water. There are 5 basic technologies that can use the removed salt and the dissolved solids from water. Distillation involves removing pure water in the form of water vapor from salt brine. Reverse osmosis. In air or free water is pulled at high pressure from permeable membranes, separation of salt from the water. The quality of the water produced depends on the pressure, the concentration of salt in the feed water, and the salt permeability constant of the membranes. Electrodialysis. Ion exchanger. In this process, unreliable ions, the fuel water are exchanged for the same rate ion as the water passes through granular chemistry called ion changer resin. For example, cation changer resins are typically used in the home and municipal water treatment plant to remove cadmium and manganese ions in hard water. Free desalination. When salt water freezes, ice crystals from pure water, leaving the dissolved salt or other minerals in posture of high salination brine.